looking for a new and exciting way to create art? Well, look no further than AI art generator tools. AI art generators are a revolutionary tool that uses advanced algorithms to transform your photos into stunning works of art in just minutes. The process is simple. All you need to do is upload a photo to the AI art generator, and it will analyze it and apply a wide range of styles, techniques, and filters to create a unique and personalized artwork. The AI art generator can produce various art styles such as classic styles like Impressionism and Cubism, or modern styles like abstract and pop art. Once the AI has finished generating the artwork, you can further customize it by adjusting the colors, styles, and other parameters to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the final product, you can download the art piece and print it out to hang it on your wall or share it with others. There are numerous AI art generator tools available, each with its unique style and features. Here are 5 examples of AI art generated tools you can try out today. Number 1. Midjourney. This AI art generator allows you to create artworks in a wide range of styles, including oil paintings, watercolors, and sketches. It also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use for beginners. Number 2. Prisma. This AI art generator applies various filters and styles to your photos, creating stunning artworks in seconds. Number 3. Picasso. This AI art generator uses a combination of algorithms and human guidance to create beautiful and unique art pieces. Number 4. Neural Styler. This AI art generator uses a deep learning algorithm to analyze your photos and create works of art inspired by various art styles. Number 5. Let's Enhance. This AI art generator is designed to enhance your photos, improving their quality and turning them into works of art. So why not try out one of these AI art generated tools today and unleash your creativity like never before? With these powerful tools, you can turn any photo into a stunning piece of art in just minutes. If you want to create an AI avatar, check this video. Hope you enjoy this video.